Good night. My name is Diana Vidal. Now, answer some question about model 4 of week 3. Um, now, recording a video. It's okay? Okay. How old Christina need to adapt her lesson with that group of learners? It's our first question. We have answered Christina can use word to introduce yourself languages, observe the speaking tasks, and provide feedback. What other platform feature might she want to or need to explore to make sure that client or meet is an adjective? As we saw in the quiz, she was using the interactive whiteboard. She can also share a stream and can use video clip on YouTube. By the way, she can get explore the loose and get to the objective. Okay, second question. How would you deal with a weaker learning in a group lesson? Okay, we got tough. We have to empathize with our student and check the weaker. It's so important to check the weaker. And with skill, the student are better learner. Of you have to identify this problem. The weak of that learner is also identify how that learner, because you can use game, you can use picture, you can use video, you can use whatever thing. Okay, if the student doesn't learn in different case, you identify what this student like is better class, and this or this student learn. Okay, is there a particular platform feature to explore? Okay, question number 3. What pronunciation challenge do you learn typical face? There is a lot of challenge in this case because learners typical face, I think that this can overcome by reading a lot and listening to music. Listen to music, watch a video, watch movie in English. With those challenge is one of the two ones to one. Like a song it said before, by reading, improvise, and compression, and also listen exercise and make this. Okay. Also need to write the compression listen. Question number 4. Okay, continue. How do you think to may need to adapt when teaching online? Okay, writing lesson to teach face to face will be, for example, the text dictation. That can so easy. At that on online classes, what speaking activities do you often include in your face-to-face lecture? Okay. I make this student prepare their our conversation for the topic, whatever you want. That we currently provide. Do you think this can use online lecture? Of course, yes. How you need to adapt them? Uh, it's so easy to adapt from face-to-face lecture. Online lecture, because typical you use the same adjective, you get the same adjective, and you use the same topic to you to you. Okay, how my English teacher deliver feedback on learning reading in an online context. Um, feedback. Feedback games can be done in the real time correction. Um, for example, if you using interactive whiteboard, you can correct them but explaining the topic and write some example, some sentences, and to express what do you want this student or that student learn. In the time real correction is so easy because it's the same spot to find error. You can correct the student quickly. Um, by the way, they don't make sentence, okay? Always they have to upload develop writing skill. Do you see online learning will you find user and always inspire artists interactive board and share a screen by the Zoom, Meet, whatever platform. Interactive whiteboard, there are make mistake and correct them, but they wish of to a student week. Do you think will be most helpful to your only learning to develop pronunciation with of the tool is studied with the brochures of tool that was a study on this week to develop pronunciation. I was remember that we have recording the platform that we use while Quef. I think that will helpful because the student hear themselves and hear our mistake, because for that reason it's so important to use in the platform whiteboard. You check immediately mistake on error some student made. It's okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye.